To begin, place the tail boot onto the cable. Slide the end of the drop cable into the drop cable stripper and remove at least 5 centimeters of the jacket. Fix the cable into the cutting jig. Mark the fiber at the end point of the cutting jig. Strip off the 250 micron acrylate coating back to the added mark. Clean the fiber with a dust-free wipe. Fix the fiber into the cutting jig. Make sure the end of the 250 micron acrylate coating meets the end of the cutting jig. Unlock the cleaver and engage it. Slide the cutting jig into the holder slot of the cleaver, making sure the end of the cutting jig meets the clamp pad. Cleave the fiber. Carefully remove the fiber from the jig. Insert the fiber into the connector until you feel the fibers meet inside. Stop when you feel slight resistance and slide the outer jacket into the slot at the base of the connector. There should be a slight bend in the fiber. This is normal. Press the pusher forward to lock the fiber and then remove the pusher. We recommend not discarding the pusher as you'll need it for removal or retermination. Push the tail boot up and screw the boot onto the base of the connector to complete the assembly.